Daniel Boone was a man, yes, a big man. He was brave, he was fearless, and as tough as a mighty oak tree. From the coonskin cap on the top of old Dan to the heel of his rawhide shoe.
Self-esteem has nothing to do with any impression that you have of yourself or any impression that the world and the people in it have of you. Although achieving things on your own can help boost your self-esteem, in essence, self-esteem has only to do with one thing. This is how I measure my own self-esteem. I base my self-esteem on my existence, the fact that I exist. Now, in 1905, Einstein published a paper on energy equivalence, and from that we got the formula E equals mc squared. Everybody knows about that one. Do you really know what it means? Okay, E is energy. C is the speed of light, and of course it's squared. So my energy is equivalent to the speed of light squared multiplied by my mass. Now, I weigh about 100 kilos. So the speed of light squared is over 89 quadrillion. And if I take my mass, which is 100 kilos, and multiply that by that amount, I get an energy equivalence of about 9 quintillion joules. So my self-esteem is based on a mathematical fact. The fact that I exist and that I'm made of matter. And so my esteem is based on that fact. I am equivalent to a huge amount of energy. Cool. You can see a turtle popping his head out of the water. Neat. This whole notion of low and high self-esteem is a fallacy. It's based on what you think you're worth to the world, and to people, and to banks, and especially your net worth. But it has nothing to do with that. Your worth, your self-esteem, is based primarily on the fact that you exist, and nobody had anything to do or has anything to do with your existence. Yes, your parents came together and out-popped you into the world. How much of you did you create? Nothing. And so what it comes down to is just simple science. And if you can learn to think in those terms, if you can learn to accept the fact that you exist in a world that exists and which you have no control over, and that everyone else is exactly like you, then we can start from a good beginning. We can start with the fact that our esteem is high because our energy is high, and our energy is real.